Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G60S, and let me show you how to turn on and off camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings, and now we have to pick photos category. Here we can find selfie photo mirror option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn on and turn off camera mirror effect as we need, and if we need to use this correctly we have to remember that this only works for selfies, so we have to change back camera to the front one by tapping on this left button. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.